Hey, Andrew Heffley here with Precision Line Window Wash. I want to take a second to talk to you about your gutter cleaning and why you should go ahead and do it this year. Even if you have gutter guards, take a look at this real quick. You see this? This is actually off the shingles themselves. So this is all the shingle grates, shingle grains that come off. So if you have actual gutter guards on there and you think, oh, I don't have to have it cleaned, it's been 3, 4, 5 years or 10 years. Think again, because the shingles themselves are actually, little particles are coming off every single day almost. It seems like every big rain. And so if you go a few years, you're going to start getting stuff like this. In this particular home, the majority of it was the grains from the shingles. So anyways, you can go ahead and click the link now. It'll take you over to our contact form. It's a super easy, super simple contact form. So my hands are just covered in them, right? And then you just fill it out. Put some basic information on there. A screened and approved representative will reach out to you as soon as possible and have a nice little conversation and set up a time to send over a representative to your home to give you a free inspection for your gutter cleaning needs. And then give you a free no obligation quote as well. So go ahead and just click the link now so we can go over and take a look, see how many grains you got in your gutters this fall. All right.